Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to upgrade our account into World Collector. So we have currently 276,050 points, and we need 4,000 more collector points to reach the 280,000 needed for the World Collector. So what do? We go to the Starlight shop. We go to shop and then buy 2 skins.
I tolerate no invaders. Yeah!
2 annual Starlight skins, which gives you 2,000 collection points each. So this is my 618th skin. Next, we buy Gord's annual Starlight skin #1 controller.
It ain't just a game. You gotta fight for yourself.
#1 controller Gord, another 2,000 points. This is my 619 skin, Video Game Master. So that's it guys, we are now World Collector. Let's claim this, and finally we can get the loading screen. Scarlet Shine, exclusive loading effect for World Collector, can be used on the battle loading screen. And we can also get this collector name color, collector exclusive name color, available by becoming World Collector. So I've gained additional 1,700 points, and now since we are World Collector, we can join the Collector Global Leaderboard. So what's my ranking? I'm now actually I'm not applicable yet. So look at all these collector level points. I'm just about 1/3 from the points. Man, people spend so much in this game. Anyways, that's it guys. We have 281,750 points. And to end this video, let's see. Let's go to Heroes.
In Harmonia, my arrow flies towards hope.
Hero training. And let's use the loading. Sorry, I haven't equipped it yet. This is the Mega Collector. Sorry guys, my fault. I did not change it.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
I'm really sorry for that guys. That's the Mega Collector loading screen. I forgot to equip it.
Victory!
I'm still the MVP. So preparation, effects. Where do I equip it? Customization. Oh yes, banner. So is this the new banner? Oh, Kage. Oh, this nice banner. So let's equip the loading effect of World Collector. So we can already see it here, so I don't have to load the game. Nice. Let's do it again. Very nice. Now I won't be outmatched by the people flexing the World Collector loading effect. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Scarlet Shine, exclusive loading effect for World Collector, acquired on our main account. Finally guys. Now our second account is only Mega Collector. Hope we can get World Collector on it soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.